Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto variant. Let's try this one. Try and get a leading element on the center. This looks fun. Can I do this just to block his development then? It seems a bit committal, his play. Knight e5 takes check, queen e5, knight h4 for queen h5, knight g6. Can I soften him up here? I need a stack of some sort, maybe knight e5 or knight h4 here. Let's get a rook in. A rook e3, rook f3. That's queen e7. That sounds good. Queen e7 and rook e3 both look really dangerous. Queen e7 is not winning outright, is it? I think rook e3 is good for a love. Start off with. Rook f3. Rook g3 looks dangerous for queen e7. Maybe queen e7 immediately and then rook g3. I don't think the queen's coming into e4 to rescue. I've got to be careful about that if I did leave e4. But queen e7, these possibilities, rook f3, rook g3, look really good. If I simply play queen e7 and rook g3, queen e5. Oh, he's on the queen anyway. Got to move my queen. There's rook f3 first. Does that do anything? King g8, queen d8, king h7. I suspect. Oh, there's knight f3 in lines. Queen. Okay. Queen e7, rook g3, queen e5, knight f3. Isn't that good enough to get on with?
Check.
Okay, hang on. Queen e8's not. Knight f5 is not doing anything, is it? Knight g6. It's got queen in5, unfortunately. I'm just allowing that, am I? Knight g6. It's queen e8, knight f8. And exchange. Let's f4 if I can distract queen c3. Knight f3, queen f6. Queen e8, queen f8. I could go with knight g6. Right, so Queen E8, King H7. Knight F8 takes, I've got Rook H7, King G7. Is it over or something? Ah, come on. Is there anything here? Queen E8, King H7. There's Rook F3. Oh, okay.
Check.
That's not Rook F3. Right, 97. Losing on time as well. Yeah. I think he's defending. I haven't got anything, have I? I think that's defended.
Time warning.
Not. Oh, Queen G8 threatens. Okay, Bishop B7, Queen D7. Threatening Queen G8 anyway. Queen D7 at least. Or not. No. Can't see after that. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of time. Okay, I think I still spent the wrong time at the wrong place. Let's have a look. Was there anything? I mean, initially, yeah, I was playing quickly. Okay. No, knight h4 has given us really strong. Why didn't I? Rook e3, good. Oh, check, good. Are you joking? I even mentioned knight f5. I don't think I was that serious about it. It's crazy, but actually, I think I even mentioned knight f5, and I just realised now, actually, hold on a sec. You can't take here. Oh, crikey. It was an available resource. I just didn't investigate it. You know, I mentioned it as a... I don't know. I was kind of thinking... It's a detail, but I didn't take it that seriously. It's a winning move. Why didn't I take it seriously? I mentioned it, I didn't take it seriously. I don't understand. What did I think of instead then? So knight g6, because that looks like more forcing. I think I'm losing after knight g6. So this is the point where I have to play accurately, because if I don't, I'm just a piece down, whatever. Oh no. Knight f5. What does he do? Oh,
checkmate.
Crikey. Oh, that would have been a beautiful, beautiful.
Check.
Oh, if I could appreciate that move instead of just mentioning it. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh no. I had time here. I had time here. I had 2 minutes. This was the point of no return. I have to think here because it's a point of no return. There's no return after knight g6. There's nothing.
Check.
I don't know what I'm thinking about this position. I think I miscalculated something here. Or just, yeah, there's nothing here, is there? Oh, that's sad. That's really sad. He deserved to be punished there in that opening. Knight f5 coming up. Oh, I played all the right moves there. Except here. Knight f5. Oh, no. Oh well, yeah, the point of no return, you got to think, at the point of no return, I don't know about knight g6, for some reason I thought that might be dangerous. But this needs investigating. Knight f5. Oh well, okay. Oh well, I gave it a shot. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.